everyone, and welcome back to our school podcast, Polas Poles. Podcast berkelas, podcast 13. And in this podcast, we will discuss a very interesting topic related to one of Indonesia's female heroes. Who she is? Yes, she is Raden Ajeng Kartini. And before we start our podcast today, let me introduce myself. My name is Wahdah Syahputra Zenhar, and I'm not alone in here. I have a special guest with me. Her name is Miss Naila. Hi, Miss Naila.
Hi Wahda. Hi everyone. Thank you for having me here. And I'm so exciting and interesting to talk about Kartini today.
We are excited too. I have some questions for you, so let's start with the basics. Who is Raden Ajeng Kartini?
Raden Ajeng Kartini is one of Indonesia national hero. He fought for women's rights when in the past era women are not allowed to go to school.
Wow, so she was really brave, right?
She is. Exactly. She had a strong ideas and she wasn't afraid to speak her
Sure,
mind.
like going against what was normal in the past era. Okay, next to the second question. Question relates the title Kartini as a pioneer of emancipation in Indonesia. So, what's the true meaning of emancipation?
Okay, emancipation means a freedom, especially freedom fair for from unfair treatment. For Kartini, it means fight for women's rights. Women have same opportunities with a man. They are able to go to school and choosing their future.
Oh, I see. So, why is Kartini called the pioneer of emancipation in Indonesia?
Back in year 1800, girls were allowed to study school, and Kartini refused it. So she wrote a letter and arguing that women deserve to get a better education. She sparked a movement and make her mind she dared to break the norm.
That's right. She deserves to be called a pioneer of emancipation. Well, why is gender equality important for everyone?
It is important because in this world, not only men who live in the world,
Hmm,
women are also lives in the world, and women can make a change in this beautiful world.
of course. So, what do you mean by gender equality?
Equality means women have the same right to access education. She has a good right and opportunities, not only men.
I agree with you. So, what did Kartini actually fight for?
She fought for women's
Hmm.
rights, especially when women are not allowed to go to school. So she fought for women's education.
Sounds like something we now take for granted. But in the past, it was a big deal. What lessons can we learn from her?
We learned courage. Kartini didn't stay silent. She used her voice and her pens. She wrote a letter to her Dutch friend.
I've heard that her letters were made into a famous book, right?
Yes, she wrote a book, Habis Gelap Terbitlah Terang. After the darkness comes light.
That's cool. And do you know, it's one of my favorite books. So, what's the most important thing we can learn from that book?
I think it's about being brave and never giving up on your dream. Kartini teach us to speak up and fight for what is right.
Yes, that really sticks with me. Like, don't be afraid to dream big. Well, do you think Kartini's dream has come true today?
I think in some part, yes. Girls can now go to school and college and have a career. But we still have to fight to eliminate the patriarchal culture in Indonesia.
True, there's still work to do, but we've come a long way. What does Kartini mean to you personally?
Well, in my mind, for me, Kartini is a role model, not just from the past, but also from she reminds me to be strong, smart, and never afraid to speak up.
I love that answer. Kartini isn't just a history lesson, but she's a life lesson. Before you end, I will ask the last question for you. Okay, what would you like to say especially to vocational high school 13 students?
Okay, for all students, never stop dreaming. Always dream big. Don't let anyone tell you what you cannot do. Always study hard. Always dare to speak up and support each other. Kartini showed us that change starts from us.
Was so inspiring, Miss Naila. Thank you so much for being here and sharing all those amazing thoughts. It was such an inspiring talk.
Thank you, Wahda. It's a pleasure.
And to all our listeners, thank you for tuning in. Let's always remember the spirit of Kartini and try to be better every day. Have a good day, everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.